Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the new trending effect on CapCut that you can apply to your videos. So here, the effect is called sad on unfair effect, and the effect can be easily found under the body effect. So I'm going to just go to effect, body effect. Here on the trending, you can easily find the effect unfair. So this effect can also be found under the roll category in the body effect. So this is pretty new, and to add it, you can just click on the effect, and just like that, the person or the face of the person in the video will become sad like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.